This is the story about a failure so big, it almost killed Zipline. At Zipline, we believe if you want to look like a genius in the end, you have to be very comfortable failing 1,000 times along the way to get there. You might call that design thinking. You might call it prototyping. You might call it failing fast. It's all the same thing. It's all about getting very comfortable, about trying things, getting out in the real world to actually learn what you need to learn to do what you need to do. We've been working on Platform 2 for 5 years. We came up with a way to pick up packages and a way to deliver them. The way we deliver them, with the drone staying way up high, the little delivery zip coming to the ground, people love that. It is scaling like crazy and we are so happy with it. But the way we showed picking up packages, it became clear about a year ago at the end of 2024 that that was not gonna scale. Major fail. So our original vision for how to deliver with our system was to install a dock like this outside of every location, every pharmacy, every restaurant, your favorite bakery, you name it, so that they can deliver through our network and get it to you. And underneath that dock would be a loading portal. Here you're seeing one, what we call an indoor portal, where the delivery zip goes down a little chute, gets loaded from inside, and then goes and makes the delivery. There were two reasons that this was just never gonna work. First, permitting and construction. Installing a dock like this and this portal underneath it requires a permit and a construction project that takes too long and costs too much. But there was an even bigger deal killer. This takes so much space right outside a partner location that when we looked at specific restaurants, specific pharmacies, there just wasn't enough space at most of the sites, meaning that most locations that our partners wanted us to deliver from, we couldn't actually deliver from. Another deal killer. The problem is, how do you pick up packages without needing the drone to come into a dock? You might be thinking of the obvious answer, right? Just have the delivery zip come to the ground, someone opens it up, puts a package inside, closes it, and it retracts up, and it's done. There's a big problem with that. If I'm even a minute late to bring that package out and put it into the delivery zip, that drone up high just used so much power hovering there that it can't make its delivery anymore. You might think, we'll just flip that around, have me wait for a few minutes to make sure I'm there before the delivery zip comes to the ground. Now, first of all, that violates a fundamental principle of design that we believe in, which is robots wait for people, people don't wait for robots. And practically, imagine you're a pharmacy tech, right? And you're doing 200 deliveries a day this way. You can't just be hanging around for a few minutes every delivery. That would completely destroy your ability to do your job. To tell you how we moved on from that failure, I gotta tell you first about the new products team at Zipline. This is a team of people who specialize in taking these very difficult product operational business challenges, going from zero, as in we don't know how to approach the problem, to one, we know how we're gonna approach the problem. They picked up the ball a year ago, and this is a solution that they came up with. This is Zipping Point. We think of this as a magical portal that takes no space, no construction project, fits almost everywhere we've looked. It enables anybody, anywhere to put packages and deliver them with our system. So what we needed was a solution where I could take my order, let me put the order number in, 8746, put the order in, and walk away, get back to my job. I should have mentioned that our partners, and definitely the people receiving our orders, love that we don't require special packaging. So you notice that was just a bag full of a bunch of random products in it. It's so cool how it works. First, in this drawer, right when I put the package in, there are sensors that immediately check to see if the package is deliverable, right? Its weight, its dimensions. Second, it has this thing we call the magic carpet. And in a future video, remind me to show you how that works to reliably transfer a product, no matter its shape, how floppy it is, what packaging it's in, from this drawer into that delivery zip. This is a story of how Zipline, at a very macro scale, thought we had something right, failed catastrophically, learned from it, and is now on a really good path.